Sharing photos on Instagram is easy, but saving them on Android isn't. If you're looking for simple ways to download Instagram photos, this video will show you 4 quick methods to do it effortlessly. Part 1. Reasons for downloading Instagram pictures to Android. Save special moments from friends, family, or creators. View photos offline anytime. Use images for inspiration. Backup posts in case they're deleted. Repost later with permission. Keep favorites organized locally. Part 2 to 5 ways to save Instagram photos on Android. Way 1. Use Facebook Messenger to download Instagram pictures. Open Instagram and find the photo. Tap the 3-dot icon. Select Copy Share URL. After that, you need to go to Facebook Messenger and click on its icon to launch it. Then, you should search for RepostBot on the interface. Now, just press the screen to paste the URL that you have copied just now and click Send to deliver the link. Finally, hit the download button at the bottom right corner to save the photo to your phone via facbook.com. Way 2. Use Instagrabber.com. If you don't have Facebook, Instagrabber.com is a simple option. Open Instagrabber.com in your browser. Find the Instagram photo. Follow the on-screen steps to download. Way 3. Use an Instagram downloader app. Apps make saving photos faster. Easy Downloader is a good example. Install Easy Downloader on Android. Enable download mode in settings. Open Instagram and find the photo. Tap 3 dots Copy Share URL. Way 4. Save from Instagram.com. This is a safer, no-app method. Log in at Instagram.com on a computer. Open the target photo. Click the 3-dot icon to save. At last, you can simply right-click on the photo and choose Save Image As to save it onto your computer with the preferred name. Way 5. Take a screenshot. Open the photo in full screen. Press Power plus volume down. Crop out the Instagram interface in Gallery or Photos.